Can you see yourself in the 2014 Toyota Tundra? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, stability control, tow hitch, traction control. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.